Hi all. Are you a CA foundation student writing your exams in this June 2023? I have a small question I want to ask you. Let's say we have a holding company and we have a subsidiary company, and now holding company has 70% shares in subsidiary and this subsidiary has 75% shares in holding company. Now tell me guys, who is the holding company and who is the subsidiary company? Are you confused? Are you thinking this is not possible? Subsidiary company can't have shares or any conflict over here? Now, there is a way you have to learn law. Why is it not possible? The answers to this is a beautiful concept. Now, coming to your CA foundation exams, a new subject is law, and most of you might have already learned law, already given your exams, or this may be your first attempt. If you are writing your exam in this June, I want you to watch this video. Let me give you a small example. Let's take CSK and let's take Rahane. After coming to CSK, you all know how well he's been performing. Nothing has changed in terms of his skill, but his perspective and mindset about the format has changed and everybody is surprised about it. You can still continue to study exam the way you want to study for law and clear your exams, but be very weak in your concepts. And even if you're writing your exams for your second, third time, sir, I'm very weak in my presentation. I got only 170 in my exam. I got only 150 in my exam. It's fine. It's fine because there's always going to be another chance. But what you have to do is find out what went wrong. Is my presentation not good? How do I learn the concepts well? How do I remember the side headings in exam? We have multiple shortcuts to do that. So what I've been doing for multiple batches for the last 3 to 4 years is, out of passion, I've been taking free classes for CA Foundation Law, and we take this class for just about 1 week, only 1 week, 7 to 8 days max. And then what we do in this class is we predominantly focus on two things. First, we quickly revise all the concepts of Contract Act, Sale of Goods Act, everything. And then we solve 200 plus questions of the past exam. I will make you write answers in the class, make you memorize in the class, and by the end of the class be exam ready to score at least 60 plus in your business laws paper, including your BCR, and out of 60 at least get 50 marks. We will do a lot of interesting things. For example, in the last 2 to 3 exams, contingent contract concept has never been tested. I can write and tell you, even if you're not joining this class, assurance that in June 2023 exams, contingent contract is a mandatory question in your exam. So we are going to be smart and we are going to take only about 50 to 75 students for this batch. And the batch is going to be concept for 30-40% and again exam oriented, making you remember in the class and go home and study other subjects. So this class is going to start on 9th May 2023 and it will go on till maximum 18th May 2023, every day from 2 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on a daily basis. We'll be focusing. This class is going to happen offline at Sri Shankara CA classes, which is going to be in Mylapore, Chennai. It will also be online simultaneously, like how you are watching this video. The class will be online and also there will be recording. You will also be given a material. One problem I noticed in the previous batches is when I give it for free, a lot of students come in and then they leave, they don't take it seriously. So what we are doing this time is the first 2 to 3 days is absolutely free. Sir, I want to just try out this class. You're talking something different. Let's see what all this about. There's going to be a link in the description of this video to join a WhatsApp group. You can join that group and you can attend the first class and second class for free. Absolutely no problem. But when you want to come for offline or you want to attend all the 7-8 days with material, we have a minimal cost involved to print the material, stream the class, give you recording backup, and that is going to be just 999 for the entire 7-8 days. And again, it is not mandatory to pay this if you don't want to attend the class. Join for free first 2-3 days, see if it's useful for you. Is it adding value? Do not pay for anything which doesn't add value to you in life. So if you feel it adds value, then we'll finalize with about 50 to 75 students and then we'll close the batch after that. So this is about the batch. The link is in the description of the video. Sorry about that. And you also will be having demo videos of CA Foundation of how the class will be in the description. You can even check out those guys. Some demo videos of regular batch, which is going to be a detailed explanation, not like crash. So thank you for your time and all the very best for your exams. And don't forget to read contingent contract for the upcoming exams. Thank you.